G'day and welcome to the channel. Well, I'm up in Queensland at the moment, at the Maru Kathleen abandoned township. So we've picked up a bay here. There's a few other people in the old town. You basically just find yourself a nice little pad, put your caravan on it, and you've got a free stay here. So I don't know if you're meant to have fires, but they obviously have. We haven't bothered. It's warm enough as it is. But yeah, we just went for a drive up to the old uranium mine up on the hill, and that was quite a nice little drive. And here's a little bit of video from a drone flight I took over it. Take it away.